Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore beauty products with a critical yet caring eye, separating the hype from the honest experience. Today, we're checking out the Estée Lauder BrowPerfect 3D All-in-One Styler in 04 Light Brunette, a warm light brown shade designed to combine the precision of a pencil, the depth of powder, and the hold of a gel, all in one sleek tool. It promises long wear, waterproof performance, and comes with a spooled brush for easy blending. Right out of the packaging, the BrowPerfect feels surprisingly well balanced. The pencil tip is firm enough for precise strokes, but creamy enough to glide over sparse areas without tugging. The powder section adds natural dimension, giving brows a subtle fullness without looking cakey. And the gel component is lightweight, yet it keeps hairs in place throughout the day. The spooled brush is soft, making it effortless to blend and shape for a polished, natural look. In my daily routine, this product proved to be versatile. For morning wear, it fills and defines quickly, and the waterproof formula held up with humid conditions and even light exercise. I did notice that on extremely oily skin around the brow area, it can fade slightly after 8 to 9 hours, but overall, its performance is solid. One of the strengths is that it truly combines 3 tools in one, saving time and eliminating the need for multiple brow products. A small downside might be that if you prefer ultra-dark, dramatic brows, the light brunette shade may appear softer than expected. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. In terms of value, the BrowPerfect sits in the higher price bracket, but considering its multifunctionality and the quality of the formula, it feels justified. Compared to similar multi-step brow products on the market, Estée Lauder's offering stands out for the smoothness of the pencil, the natural finish of the powder, and the lasting hold of the gel. Other brands may require separate products for the same effect, making this all-in-one styler more convenient. The build quality is excellent. The twist-up pencil mechanism works smoothly, the gel wand is well designed, and the spoolie holds its shape after repeated use. I haven't had to interact with customer service, but Estée Lauder generally has a strong reputation for responsiveness and product support. If you're budget conscious, there are more affordable alternatives that mimic the pencil and powder combination, but few match the all-in-one concept with such seamless gel hold and high-quality finish. Overall, the BrowPerfect 3D All-in-One Styler is a versatile, reliable, and high-performing brow tool. It's perfect for those who want a natural, polished look without juggling multiple products. While the light brunette shade is best for warmer light brown brows, the texture, blendability, and lasting hold make it a standout for everyday wear. Thank you for watching, and remember, the link to purchase the product is in the comments or description box. If you've tried the BrowPerfect, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.